guys, Lan here on Grady's Mom. So it is a new year and I am trying to get my house organized and deep cleaned and all of that good stuff. So I thought I would do this video today because I just got some new cleaning products. Some are some old favorites, a few are new, and I kind of wanted to talk about storage and kind of my sort of how I organize like all my cleaning products and just what I found makes the most sense. I keep a lot of backups in my laundry room, so I'm going to show you the organization I have in there, and then I'm also going to share with you guys where I keep the rest of my cleaning products, because for me it's what makes the most sense. So maybe this will give you some ideas to kind of organize your own cleaning products. I know a lot of us this time of year are trying to get our houses in order, our homes clean, deep clean, and all that good stuff. It's also flu and cold season, so I'm just trying to be, you know, as cleanly as I can, as germ-free as I can, like the rest of us. So if you want to see all my organization for all my cleaning products, just keep on watching. Alright, so first off, I just got home from Walmart and I picked up some cleaning products that I both needed and also needed to keep because I like to have backups of the things that I use the most. So the first new thing I am trying is this Clorox toilet wand. I have seen a lot of people talk about these and use them in cleaning videos, and it just kind of intrigued me because we actually needed a new toilet wand. We have 3 bathrooms in our home, or 3 toilets if you will. So I thought this one would be nice to try out. It was under $10. This is like the starter kit, and this comes with the wand, 9 refills which look like that, and then also the caddy to store it. So since we needed a new one anyways, I thought I would give this one a try. I didn't purchase additional refills because I wanted to make sure we like it, obviously, but again, this starter kit was just under $10. I grabbed a bottle of Pine Sol, good old Pine Sol, because we are going to be doing some deep cleaning, and one of the main things we want to do is we want to clean all the baseboards in our house, like the trim area in our whole house, which is definitely going to be a project that's going to have to be done over the course of a few days because it's very time consuming. So the way we do it is we get a couple hot soapy buckets of water, add a couple capfuls of the Pine Sol, and then use a washcloth and kind of clean all the baseboards, and we just kind of start downstairs and work our way up. So I got this specifically for that. I just needed some more of my Downy. This is the clothing conditioner infusions. This is a backup for my laundry room, which I'll share with you in just a moment. I'm trying out a new wood cleaner. Normally I use the Murphy's oil soap spray in the citrus scent, which I actually really love. They actually didn't have any at my Walmart. They were sold out. The whole aisle, the whole little section where they normally are, was all sold out. So I thought I would give this one a try. It's the Orange Glow Wood Furniture 2-in-1 Clean and Polish Cleaner, so I'm excited to try that. However, I will say I do like the Murphy's, and if they had the Murphy's in stock, I would have purchased that. I got 2 bottles of Windex, A, because we needed one, and B, I have one as a backup, because another project we're going to be working on in our deep clean is cleaning all the interior windows in our home. I love my Bona hardwood floor mop, and this is the size that I buy. It's the biggest one that I have found, at least at Walmart, and this is just perfect because it lasts a long time. This size bottle will last me about 2 to 3 months, and we use wood floor cleaner every week. We clean our wood floors every week. I needed some more Swiffers as a backup because the package I have now is getting down towards empty, and then of course Lysol, because I always have 2, usually 3 bottles of Lysol in my home at all times, but especially during the winter when it's cold season. I always spray everything down, you know, anything from our garbage cans in the bathrooms, in the kitchen, to any surface that I think just needs to be disinfected. So I'm going to put all this away, and then I'm going to share with you how I store all my backups of cleaners first. Alright guys, so the main area where I store my cleaners is in my kitchen island in this cabinet right here. So this is where I store a lot of things, and these are all things that are currently being used. So on the bottom, as you can see, is things like carpet cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, Lysol, my favorite, Barkeeper's Friend. This is for, like I use this to clean my microwave, my stovetop. This is the wood cleaner that I was talking about. that is my favorite wood cleaner, the Murphy Oil Soap Spray. Again, I went to buy a new one today and they didn't have it. And I usually try and keep the cloth I'm using on it just so I know that it belongs together. And then again, just normal things. So I have stainless steel cleaner, I have Windex. As you can see, this one is the multi-surface, but it's perfect on glass too. We have Comet, Febreze, we have toilet bowl cleaner, we have Lysol wipes, so pretty much just the norm. And then I have a pile here of rags that are cloths like this that I use for cleaning, my Swiffers, my dust buster thing. I have backup multi-surface cleaner here behind the lint roller, and then this here is my extra Bona hardwood mop pad. I have two, so I always have a clean one, and I do try to change them each week. So this is like my main area of all the cleaners that I use every week or every day, depending on which cleaner. And then I'll show you guys what I keep in each bathroom as well. Alright, so this is my downstairs powder room. This is the room you guys always see behind me when I'm filming sit-down videos at the table. And this cabinet here, we actually keep all of our cleaning supplies for this bathroom. So we have Clorox wipes, toilet bowl cleaner, a roll of paper towels, a toilet brush. I have backup soaps here, and then I have a Windex. We have a Windex in here as well to clean the mirror or any glass surface. This is actually almost empty. And then again, I just have backup soaps. There's a little drawer and I keep backup hand towels. So I try to keep this stuff in here because it's what we use in here, and it just makes the most sense to have it all set and ready to go. All right guys, this is our guest bathroom, aka Grady's bathroom. So I brought the toilet wand up here because this is going to go in this bathroom. And then in this cabinet, I apologize if it's dark because there's not that much light in here. We keep a lot of cleaning products in here for this bathroom. So Clorox wipes, we have Windex for the mirror, toilet bowl cleaner, roll of paper towels, we have some scrubbing bubbles for the tub. This is just a detergent that my mom uses, and she comes about 4 to 5 times a year. So we just leave it under this sink since this is a bathroom that she uses. We have an all-purpose, or excuse me, an anti-bac all-purpose cleaner that Matt uses to wipe down the counter tops in here. And then we just keep a Resolve carpet cleaner up here in case like our cat pukes or we have some random stain that we need to address upstairs since it's carpet. And again, we choose to keep these cleaners under here because they're accessible. You don't have to run up and down the stairs when you're cleaning the bathroom because everything is right here. And then I'll show you now my master bathroom. Alright guys, master bathroom. Under the cabinet we have some Febreze because obviously our bed is right there, and when we change our sheets sometimes we like to freshen up the quilt with some Febreze. We have a Method all-purpose cleaner to clean any hard surfaces, some Clorox wipes, some toilet bowl cleaner, some Windex, just original Windex. This one is almost empty. We have some scrubbing bubbles for the bathtub and the shower, a bottle of Lysol, and then some wood cleaner because I like to use the wood cleaner to clean the wood cabinets, and I can also use this in my bedroom to clean our wood furniture. So this is everything in the master bathroom. Alright guys, so I am standing in the hallway outside of my laundry room. So this is what it looks like standing outside. First off, we have this long rack here. This is like an 8-foot clothing rack because we hang dry all of our clothes. So pretty much for the dryer, we do sheets and towels and underwear and socks in the dryer. And then everything else I hang dry. It's just what my mom did. I do it. It just keeps your clothes in much better condition. They don't shrink or fade or get beat up. Yes, it is time consuming, but it's something I've always done ever since I moved out of my parents' house at 18 years old. So I always hang dry our clothes. So we utilize that rack. There's also additional storage up there. There's 8 feet of storage, which I currently have nothing on, but it's great for like extra blankets or comforters. That's just attic access. And then I use a dehumidifier to dry the clothes. It takes the wrinkles out and it's just perfect. Laundry basket, a little step stool because these cabinets are high. Washer and dryer, I have all of our hangers here. So we have regular hangers, kid hangers, and then pant hangers. Little storage area here, which I'm currently not using. Matt recently put, not too recently, but within the last 6 months, put up this cabinet shelving for me. Previously, there was nothing here. There was just an empty wall, and it was so much kind of wasted space. So he actually, my husband works construction, so he actually was able to get this off of a job site at cost, so very inexpensive. We're actually thinking about painting the insides white. We do have the doors for these, but I actually prefer it to be open like this. I mean, nobody sees my laundry room except my family, and I just like to be able to walk in, take a quick inventory visually. We have the doors stored away, so if we want to put the doors on one day, we probably will when we put our house on the market. But this has just given me so much storage in here because previously this was just an unused wall. So as you can see, I have a lot of paper goods here. So I keep a ton of toilet paper here. I have tissues, I have paper towels, I keep our laundry detergent here, I keep our fabric conditioner here. This is the one I'm currently using, which is almost empty. The new one I purchased just now that I showed you. And then I keep my OxiClean spray and stain stick there. So everything kind of laundry related in here. And then over here on this side is perfect because I can keep backup cleaning supplies. So I have my Swiffer wipes, I have Lysol, I have the Windex, and then the wood cleaner, the Pine Sol that I showed you today. I have a backup granite cleaner, I have a backup hand soap, and then behind that granite cleaner is one of those like Glade, they're like the Glade automatic spray fresheners. I have my hardwood floor cleaner here. Behind here I have extra toilet bowl cleaners. I have some wipes, I have some flushable wipes, I have lint rollers, I have my Barkeeper's Friend backup sprays, and then this is the best laundry washer cleaner I have found. I've tried several different ones. This is my favorite, the Lemmy Shine. This is something I actually wanted to purchase today at Walmart too, but they did not have a single box. They come in like a 5-pack, I believe, and they are excellent. I've tried the Tide ones, I've tried all different ones. I like these the best. It's like a granule-like cleaner. You just dump it in your washer and it cleans it, it sanitizes it, it takes any odor away. I love it. So this is my current storage in here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the different areas of my home and where I keep cleaning products, because I try to do it in a way that makes the most sense for that area. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it motivated you to get cleaning and get your own house organized and deep cleaned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.